Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Subaru WRX S4 STI Sport. So we did unbox one more Subaru before. So that one is the premium edition and this one is the main line. And this is 1/62 scale. So let's unbox and see how it looks. So I bought this particular one I think from Amazon. Yeah, I bought this from Amazon and I bought it with a discount. I think around 50 rupees I got a discount. So you can buy the same from Visplex as well. So they actually give you a pretty sweet deal. Can't why this is taking. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's open it. So here it is. So the initial impressions are this looks really nice. The paint job it's kind of glittery blue but not too much glitter. Wow, it's good that I bought this particular piece because it has some kind of fiber for headlights. Initially I thought it was paint, but it is not a paint. They have some kind of fiber there and the logo is pretty nice. It is not smeared or anything. So this looks really beautiful. So the taillights are painted obviously and the logos are really nice. It has really beautiful details. So let's see if it has suspension. Yes, this one has suspension, which I personally love. But one thing I really don't like is, see, this one is just a mainline and this has some kind of fiber for headlights. But we did unbox a premium Subaru once, which is over there. So, when I unboxed it, if you want, I can link it up. So that one has painted headlights, but that was a bit bigger than this one. But this looks really beautiful. Even the grill details and everything, it is actually there. It is not just painted like Hot Wheels. This is really nice. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.